Yeah, I just restarted my PC. I got nothing right now. There's nothing on this. So we're gonna see what going with it. I'm gonna start from the bottom. I have to install a lot of things, bro, because it was tweaking. But now we started from the bottom again. So this is the first start after resetting it. I resetted it, but I didn't do the full reset. I did a half reset where it like reinstall Windows, remove some cache files, and yeah, it's like, bro, I think it's gonna restart. Might take a few minutes because I was outside. This shit took like 3 hours to actually get into this, because I'm using an HDD, a hard disk drive, so it might take a while. So you just change things. Updates protect you in an online world, a virtual world, guessing the Microsoft stuff. So right now I don't know what's going on. I might just accept. Then we're gonna see this later. So as you can see, we ain't got no files, bro. This is straight up no, bro. So what I'ma get, I'm gonna get Opera GX. Opera GX sponsor me, bro. That's like the best browser to use. We don't use Chrome around here. Don't use Chrome. We're gonna be using Opera GX because Opera GX it's like a gaming. Since I'm a gamer, it's a gaming browser that uses less RAM, less everything. It's gonna take, I think, oh, forgot, I might even have it. Let's go check it. Then we're gonna install it. See, we still have our files, but it acting like this, so we need to install 7zip, WinRAR, all of that stuff. And let me see something. The PC was acting up, that's why I restarted it. So there was certain apps I couldn't even open, guys. That's why. And I need to update my drivers. Let me stop this. Yeah, so everything we have to like install everything from fresh start. Bro, this PC right now, it's slow as hell, dog. Like, but the thing is, a lot is going on, bro. It's at least like having it. This is thing of having a graphics card. This is good because I'm not even installing that. It just started on its own. It's installing DirectX on its own. I think it's DirectX 11. But yeah, everything is set up. I need to delete this, bro. I need to delete this. I ain't gonna care. I never seen so. It's been a while since I've seen more colorful apps on my thing, because all I opened before it was GTA. It wasn't agreeing for me to do anything, bro.